Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to solve a system of linear equations using a quick and easy academic method, the substitution method. Let's break it down step by step. Step-by-step breakdown. 1. Displaying the system. We are given the following system. Equation 1 is 3x minus 2y equals 1, and equation 2 is x plus 4y equals 19. Our goal is to find the values of x and y that satisfy both equations simultaneously. 2. Isolating x. First, let's isolate x from equation 1. We move minus 2y to the other side with a positive sign, which gives us 3x equals 1 plus 2y. Now, divide both sides by 3 to completely isolate x. We get its temporary value, x equals 1 plus 2y over 3. 3. Substituting into equation 2. Next, substitute this expression for x directly into equation 2. Replacing x, our new equation becomes the quantity 1 plus 2y over 3 plus 4y equals 19. 4. Clearing the fraction. To eliminate the denominator and make things easier, we multiply the entire equation by 3. The first term clears out, leaving 1 plus 2y. Multiplying 4y by 3 gives us 12y, and multiplying 19 by 3 gives us 57. Now we have a clean linear equation. 1 plus 2y plus 12y equals 57. 5. Solving for y. Combine the like terms. 2y plus 12y gives us 14y, so 1 plus 14y equals 57. Move 1 to the right side as a negative. 14y equals 57 minus 1, which equals 56. Finally, divide 56 by 14 to find our first answer. Y equals 4. 6. Solving for x. Now for the easiest part. Substitute y equals 4 back into the original equation 2 to find x. The equation becomes x plus 4 times 4 equals 19, which simplifies to x plus 16 equals 19. Move 16 over to get x equals 19 minus 16, giving us our final value, x equals 3. Perfect. The definitive solution coordinates for this system are x equals 3 and y equals 4. If you enjoyed this quick and clear breakdown, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in the next math challenge.